Hello and welcome to this video on workflow news. My name is Nick Beaujard. I'm the Chief Software Architect for World of Workflows, and I'm really excited to bring you this concept today. This is a new thing we're trying, and I hope you all get involved and you enjoy it. So let's talk about workflow news and what it is. Workflow News is a startup that we're creating 100% in the public domain to kind of prove the value of World of Workflows, but also give you an example of how we build a startup organization from scratch. As we go through this project, you're going to be able to see everything happening in GitHub, from financials, from domains, from business plans, through to the software, how it works, and how it does the things we want it to do. We're going to build a whole platform, we're going to build a product, we're going to build a business, we're going to get customers in, and I'd like you to be a part of it. I'd like you to come and join us on this journey and help us make it happen. So we're going to treat it quite lightheartedly. It's going to be a bit of fun, but seriously, we're going to try and make this thing work. So everything being done is open source. You can follow along, and we'll give you a QR code later you can go to, so you can go to this in GitHub. If you're watching this video on YouTube, look down below. You'll find a link to the GitHub repository, which is public, where you can go and see all our documents and data. If you can use GitHub, if you can create issues, or even if you can create pull requests, you can become a co-founder. You can come and work with us to help us get this thing off the ground. Really exciting set of opportunities to come and find out what it's like to work with us, find out what it is to work with the dev team, how to build a startup, and how to make it all happen. So let's get this thing introduced. What is Workflow News? Workflow News is an app and a business, and it does something I've been wanting to do for a real long time. Now, I don't know if there's a real successful business out of this. We haven't done any market research yet. We'll do that as part of the process. But what I want is I want to build an app which gathers your preferences, gathers news from multiple sources, and provides it to you as a daily newsletter. Imagine if in your inbox every morning before you got up, you weren't surfing all the different news sites and Twitter and Facebook to find what's going on. Imagine if it was presented to you in the format you like, sitting in your mailbox, and you can just read it and you know what's going on. Right? This app that we're going to build, we're going to run it like a proper startup, but everything's going to be public domain, and we're allowing you to get involved and come join us, which is going to be super fun. So why? And this is all part of what's going on in the world, at least in my mind. I could be wrong, I could be right. But I think everybody lives in your own echo chambers for news. You go to news sources that suit your political views, and social media actually tunes what you see based on what you like and don't like and what your friends like, and pulls it all together so you live in an echo chamber. There are things called news aggregators, but some of them either work for large business, such as things like Meltwater News, or you've got things on your desktop. You have to go there and read it, and there's things you might not like, and it takes ages to refine it to what you want. We're going to be different. We're going to create your very own newspaper in your inbox, and from your inbox, you can say what you like and what you don't like. We're also going to use AI to summarize that. So it's not too long, didn't read. It's going to be a summary from AI so that very quickly you can get up to speed with what's going on in the world, and you can sound knowledgeable. And I think this is super exciting. Looking forward to bringing this to be a reality. So how? Well, first of all, we need to get a domain. A .com domain would be nice. We're going to go and get ourselves a logo. We're going to write a business plan. We're going to write an MVP of the software and all the other things that go with it. And we're going to release it into market. We're now in September 2023. I want to see this thing in market just after Christmas. I always think just before Christmas is it's a tough time to release product. You might slip it, but I want this coming in January so we can actually play with it in the new year. So that's our goal. How can you help? You can click on this QR code. You can go down to the comments, find the link, go to GitHub, look at what's going on. You can raise issues where you think we've done something wrong. And if you actually want to dive in and help, you can edit and create documents or code yourself and create pull requests. That's how you can help. That's how you can get involved. Really short video. I hope you're interested, and I hope you're going to come and join us on the journey. I'll see you in GitHub. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.